Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss exercise 11.3, question number 7. So in question number 7, the question is: a closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal. So how much sheet of metal is required? So here, given that radius of a closed cylindrical tank is 7 meter. So given points are given radius of cylindrical tank R is equal to 7 meter and height of cylindrical tank H is equal to 3 meter. And the question is how much sheet of metal is required. That means we have to calculate total surface area of the tank, total surface area of the cylindrical tank. Now total surface area of cylinder formula is 2 pi r into H plus r. So by putting the value 2 into value of pi equal to 22 by 7 into radius is equal to 7. Now 3 plus 7 cancel out. 22 into 2 into 22 44. 3 plus 7 10. 44 into 10 is equal to 440 meter square. So 440 meter square of metal sheet is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. So 7 is complete. So let's move on to question number 8. Okay, let's see the question number 8. The lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is 4224 centimeter square. It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. So here, for a given lateral surface area of the hollow cylinder is given lateral surface area of the hollow cylinder, which is given as 4224 centimeter square. Now given that height of the hollow cylinder, which is denoted by H, is equal to 33 centimeter. Now also given that curved surface area of the hollow cylinder, curved surface area is not lateral surface area and curved surface area both are same. So curved surface area of the hollow cylinder, we know that formula is 2 pi r h. So here lateral surface area means curved surface area is given that 4224 meter square, which is equal to 2 into value of pi equal to 22 by 7 into radius is not given, into h is equal to 33. Now we have to find out r. So r is equal to 4224 into 7 by 2 into 22 into 33. Now cancel out. 2 to the 4 1 1 2 to the 4 2 1 1 2. So by calculating this, we will get 64 into 7 2 3 4 5 6. It will be divided by 6. 3 7s are 21, 0 3 4s are 12, 3 11s are 33. 66. Again 11 cancel out. 11 6 are 66. 4 4 are 44. So 64 into 7 by 22. So value of r is equal to this one. So now find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. So here length of the rectangular sheet will be 2 pi r. So which is L is equal to 2 pi r. So here value of pi equal to 22 by 7 and r is equal to 64 into 7 by 22. So 22 cancel out, 7 cancel out, 2 into 64. 2 4 are 8, 2 6 are 12, 128 centimeter. Now perimeter, we have to calculate the perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. So 2 into length 128 plus, so breadth, so here breadth is equal to height, oh sorry, not this one, 33. So 128 into 33 plus is equal to 161. 2 into 161 equal to 322 centimeter. So perimeter will be 322 centimeter. So question number 8 is complete. So next, see question number 10. So this one is homework for you. A company packages milk powder in cylindrical container whose base has a diameter of 14 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. Company places a label around the surface of the container. So if the label is placed 2 centimeter from the top and bottom, what is the area of the label? So at first here, diameter of the cylindrical container is given 14 centimeter. So at first you have to calculate the radius of the cylinder, which is equal to 14 by 2, which is equal to 7 centimeter. So next, height of the cylindrical container is given 20 centimeter. Now we have to subtract 2 centimeter from both top and bottom of the container. So it will be the height of the level. So height of the level is equal to 20 minus 2 minus 2, which is equal to 16 centimeter. So then you can calculate the curved surface area of the level. So curved surface area of the level is equal to 2 pi r h, where 2 into value of pi will be 22 by 7, radius will be 7 and height will be 16. Then you will get the curved surface area of the level, which is the area of the level. So I think you can solve it. So question number 10 is homework for you. Thank you.